sa Macas. Yan, for payment.
Yep.
Thank you.
It's ready. What did you? The next. Hey.
What's your favorite?
I don't know.
Which one do you like?
Can you? Where's my hand?
Where's your hand? Grimace shake, hot fudge,
I want
drinks,
this.
fries,
Yeah. I love this.
burgers. Yay!
There's the model.
Nakakulot ako ngayon. Yan.
I'm putting everything out.
You putting everything out? Yes, please. Oh. Yes, please. Help, Mom. So, magmo-movie marathon po kami. Kami ng Airbnb dito. And, movie marathon kami. Manonood kami ng Madam Web. Yun. Dakota Johansson. Yay. Put it in the toy room, Mala. Kaya para maigda, tada. You put it in the toy room. Yan, open. Yay! Popcorn para full yung movie marathon natin. Let's go! Hi guys! It's December 22. Hello guys! Say hello guys! Hello guys! Punta tayo ng Costco, mag-grocery. And, bukas walang work. It's a relaxed day. Yan, si Happy. Hello Happy! Where are we going?
Costco.
What are you gonna do there?
There's food.
Food! Yes, correct! Ayan guys, see ya! Ayan, malapit na tayo sa Costco guys. Ayan, yung Costco. And pasok na tayo dito sa entrance. Hi! Hi! You're gonna do grocery shopping in Costco? Yan. Yan yung fees.
Can I see? That's the bottom. Great job.
Great job. Press the button. Yeah?
Press the bottom again.
Okay. That's all. Thank you. Ayan, naglalakad na kami guys. Apakainit. Parang bumabaga yung mukha mo sa init. Yan yung temperature ngayon. Baka 33 or 34. Napakainit. Dito na kami sa Costco. Ando na sila. So hot. Is it hot, my love? Is it too hot?
Start na para dyan.
Ayan din. Pila sa Costco. Ayan, andito na kami sa Costco. Mamimili lang kami ng mga essentials. And hopefully may mga sale. Okay.
It's that 75-inch that like you got four. Pinala.
Here you go. Tell Mama, what do you want?
I want to hold your phone.
Why?
Tom. That's one.
kay mom.
So heavy. You're a heavy boy.
I'm not heavy, but
Hello, may I see your ID please?
Yan lang yung binili namin guys. Tsaka may napi sa baba. Ayan. Yan lang guys. Konti lang.
I like
Tapos sa kami mag-grocery guys. 41 degrees pala yung temperature kaya ang init. Para kang nasa oven. 41 degrees. Kanina siguro baka mga 42, 43 pa yun. Uwi na tayo guys. Ayan. And tapos na tayo mag-shopping. Baka pupunta pa tayong MCQ. Asian shop. Well done. Let's go. Ayan guys, punta naman kami ngayon sa Kmart. Andito kami sa Westfield, sa Inalu. Ang init, 42 degrees. 42 degrees Celsius sa labas. Nakakapaso, nakakaluto ng balat. As in. So, dito na kami ngayon guys. Grabe yung init. Mommy's here. Go, go, go. Naglalaro pa siya. Nandito na po kami ngayon guys sa Kmart. Malamig na. Ay, salamat. Malamig na ulit.
they heavy to feed.
Dalawang towel, tsaka rubber mat. Pangitait. What are you doing?
I'm trying to put this.
But we don't need that one, my love.
We need this.
We don't need that one, my love.
We need this.
What?
We need this.
You need that?
Yeah.
Hanap ako dito guys ng nails. Tapos hanap din ako ng glue para hindi na ako magpamani-pedi sa salon. So try ko maghanap na lang dito ng maganda. Yan, $5 lang. Hanap na lang ako ng magandang glue. Guys, baka bumili ng bike. And lowbat na ako. Yan yung mga napamili namin. Babayaran na lang yan. Lowbat na ako. So, see you guys. Have a good night. Thank you. So guys, gagawa po ako ng nails ko. Bumili lang ako ng sticker sa Kmart. And bumili din ako ng glue. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, ito na siya guys. Yay! Cute na ng nails ko. Hindi naman halata. Para ka lang nagpa-nail art. Ayan, andito po kami ngayon sa bahay ng friend namin. Dito kami magdi-dinner. 1 minute away lang literally. 1 minute away from bahay. Yan. Another attempt of milk tea. Brown sugar milk tea. Ito, tapioca pearls. Fake tapioca pearls. Yan. Another attempt. Muscovado sugar. What can you say, chef? So, meron po kaming traffic na baso. So, perfect niya yung milk tea niya, brown sugar milk tea. Tapos Lipton milk, Lipton tea. Boba. So, aantayin lang na mag-float yung mga bubbles, mga boba. And luto na siya. And let's add more. Yep. Let's add more boba and wait until it floats. And it's cooked.
No, don't drink it. I want some. I want.
Drink, drink. Mom's turn. Mom's turn. Ayan guys, yung bata naglalaro. Yung bata natin dyan. Ayan, ang slide niya andyan na din. Masaya na siya dyan. Hi! Ah!
I want to look.
Go, go, go. Mom's taking a video of you. Yan, may bago tayong diffuser dyan. Wait, let's see.
Can I have?
Oh, no, 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 no. House tour. Again, the other way around. The other way around. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Go, go, go down. You cheeky. Cheeky boy. Well done. Ayan, kukunti na lang yung paplansyahin ko. Ito na yung mga naplansya ko na. Konti na lang mga pabilisan na lang yan. So, watch daw. Well done. Oh, be careful. Yeah, only like that. Okay, guys. See ya.